Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Dodge Caravan. First, find the Menu or System button on your radio. It's usually near the display. Give it a press to open up the main settings. Once you're in the menu, look for an option labeled Clock or Time. This is where we'll begin our adjustments. It's a straightforward process to get your time accurate. Now that you've found the clock settings, you'll typically use the Seek or Tune buttons to adjust the hour. Pressing these will cycle through the numbers. Once the hour is correct, hit the Set or Enter button to lock it in. Then, you'll do the same thing for the minutes. Take your time to get it just right, ensuring precision for your daily drives. Before you finish, double-check the AM or PM setting to make sure it matches the actual time of day. This is a common oversight. Once everything looks good, press the Set or Clock button one last time to save all your adjustments. Your display should now show the correct time. It's always a good idea to quickly verify it's accurate before you drive off. If your clock keeps resetting, it might indicate a loose battery connection, so it's worth checking that out. Also, remember that specific Dodge Caravan models might have slight variations in their radio systems, so your owner's manual is always a fantastic resource for detailed instructions. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. For a fresh ride, check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.